Well, hello there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to do a do-it-yourself project. We have an outdoor furniture that needs to be stained to protect it from the weather. And after we finish the project, I'm going to give you a tour of the cottage garden to see all the plants that are already blooming. If you're a new visitor, my name is Jacqueline Marie and my channel is all about home decor, cleaning, lifestyle, shopping and more. And I would love that you take some time today to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will not miss any additional episodes. So let's go ahead and get started. I already moved all the furniture that I want to stain into the garage, and I also put a plastic cover on the floor so I don't get any stain on the floor. I'm using the urethane oil base to stain the furniture. I also bought a brush for oil stain. Before applying the stain, I use a microfiber cloth to clean any dust from the legs of the chair. I'm going to start applying the stain. I usually use a very small amount of stain to prevent any runoff or bubbles. And I'm also going with the direction of the grain of the wood. I'm using the satin finish. At the beginning, it might look a little bit shiny, but when it dries, it will not look as shiny. I'm rotating the chair so now we can stain the back legs. Before applying any stain, it's important that you read the instructions on the container to ensure that it's the correct product for your furniture. We have only 2 more chairs to go, and then we're going to stain the table. This is the first time that I'm using this product on this exterior furniture. Please let me know if you have used this product before. The chairs are all completed. It was very easy to do it and it went pretty fast. Now we're going to do the table. The table looks really nice with the stain. I'm planning on leaving the furniture inside the garage overnight, and then tomorrow I'm going to give a second coat to all the furniture. It's been a few days since I completed the project. I'm going to take you to the patio to show you how nice the table looks. And also I'm going to give you a tour of the cottage garden. I also have additional furniture on the patio because we're going to have a barbecue party this weekend. And this is how the patio furniture looks after we stain it with the urethane stain. The stain looks great. And now let's walk around the cottage garden to see all the beautiful plants that are blooming. In this section of the garden, you can see the potted plants that I planted a few weeks ago. The begonias and the geraniums are thriving. These Shasta daisies were struggling, but after fertilizing, they're coming back. And the bivalve morarda is thriving. These clusters of Shasta daisies are thriving also. This Rose of Sharon was newly planted a few weeks ago, and it has a spectacular bloom, and there are more flower buds coming out. This plant is called balloon flower because the flowers resemble a balloon before they open. In here there is a cluster of pink phlox, delphinium and dianthus. These ones are fall asters. They're supposed to start blooming in the fall, but they're already blooming. These are Noga roses that they already bloom and they're ready to bloom again. The Artemisia or silver mound is doing great. This plant has a beautiful pale green color and soft texture. This is a rose mallow hibiscus. I love the deep green leaves with the pink flowers of the sea thrift. This is a cluster of cat mint, and the bees love this plant. This is another cluster of Shasta daisies. They're different from the other ones up front because they grow taller. And this one looks similar to a Shasta daisy, but it's a cornflower. These green shrubs are little lime punch hydrangeas. And this is a beautiful evergreen called Black Dragon Japanese Cedar. These container planters are also doing great. These are beautiful petunias. And my friends, this is the end of the video. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you will not miss additional episodes. I'm Jacqueline Marie, and I hope to see you next time on Jacqueline Marie Living. Have a fantastic week.